The numbers tell a story of a problem that is changing shape. According to the ministry, roads reopened within half a day per incident on average in the 2020 to 2021 fiscal year. By the next period, the average closure stretched to around 5 days. It eased to 3 days once, but that is comparatively longer than how it was before. The count of blockages, however, has moved to the other way. The ministry recorded 494 road blockages in 2020 to 2021. Incidents peaked at over 1,400 in 2020 to 2023 before declining to just over 300 in 2020 to 2025. While fewer roads are being blocked, but each blockage is keeping communities cut off for longer. The ministry identified the Phintsiling to Thimphu highway, the main trade artery linking the capital to the Indian border, as the country's most vulnerable national highway with repeated and prolonged closures affecting national connectivity. The East-West highway also continues to experience frequent disruptions during the monsoon. What is blocking the road has also changed. Landslides have become the dominant cause of road blockages over the 5-year period. They accounted for 25% of all blockages in 2020 to 2021, increasing to 68% in 2020 to 2025. Increasing rainfall intensity and changing monsoon patterns are contributing to more rainfall-triggered slope failures. However, the ministry acknowledged that attributing increased incidents to climate change based on a single season is not scientifically appropriate and requires long-term observations and trained analysis.
And nahi tawachin, it on October 4th and 5th, it rained so heavy. I think it was once in a 15 years ki data na 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀. So many of our infrastructure got damaged. Around 1.3 billion we lost because of the October 4th and 5th ki rainfall ki bela. So primarily it's the heavy unprecedented rainfall, and the primary cause is landslide ra 𝗵𝗶𝗁𝗀.
At the other end of the calendar, the picture is reversing. Road disruptions in winter have declined sharply. Snowfall-related road closures dropped by 94% over the past 5 years, from 79 incidents in 2021 to 2022 to just 5 incidents in 2024 to 2025. The decline in snowfall has reduced the need for de-icing operations, which are typically completed within 3 to 4 hours. As per the ministry, resources previously tied up in winter snow management could increasingly be redirected towards strengthening monsoon resilience. But the arithmetic of that resilience is stark. The ministry currently allocates 350 million annually for monsoon road restoration. Yet, damages in the current fiscal year have already crossed over 1 billion 𝗪𝗏. Minister Chandrabadur Gurung said that although the cabinet approved an additional 272 million 𝗪𝗏 in emergency funding, the allocation remains insufficient to meet the full cost of repairs.
We are just building for the pavement of the 𝗏𝗏. We are not incorporating the climate change ki, the mitigation kachira begona, and this kanya cost meba. So if we start adding all those costs, some cost journey me.
The strain is not only financial. The ministry highlighted manpower shortages, saying engineers in several regional offices are each responsible for maintaining more than 85 kilometers of roads, while also overseeing construction projects and emergency response during the monsoon. 5 years of the ministry's data point to a shift. The challenge on Bhutan's roads is no longer clearing winter snow, but paying for roads that can withstand the rain. And for the commuters, the question is not whether the rains will come, it is whether the roads will be ready when they do. This is 𝗪𝗔 his𝗀ឆ BBS News.